but this is what we're here for. What's up, everyone? John from Tesla Owners of Silicon Valley. You know, 2 colors were released on the 3 and the Y last week. The frost blue, which I captured, and now the marine blue. So Tesla Santana Row has the full lineup, the current lineup, right? You got the 3s, the Ys, but this is what we're here for. So this is the marine blue, and it sounds like I think it's on the way from premium, on the premium Y, all the way up. They don't have it on the standard, but let me know. I have, this color just came out, and it kind of looks a little bit like the diamond black, but pretty cool nonetheless, just to see this. I'm personally a bigger fan of the frost blue, but they really have done a great job with creating a new assortment of colors, especially with the S and X going out. So let me know what you guys think. I mean, are you a fan of this? You can, again, kind of see the sparkles. It kind of feels like it kind of looks like the diamond black, right? You can just see this all the way around. I do love the tail light on the Y. You can really just see it going all the way down here. But yeah, cool nonetheless. And then, yeah, I'm just going all the way around here. And then let's go take a quick look when you open it. So you can't see, I think, you know, when I was at the Los Gatos store, you had the white interior. So, you know, it doesn't pop as much as you would think. But again, all the way in, yeah, you can just see it even up here. All the way around. Oh, and I love how they have the blue light going all the way through. But yeah, so that is the marine blue. Let me know in the comments what you think. I'm personally just a huge fan of blue in general. I think they did a really good job bringing these colors out. Now with the frost blue, I'm probably a little bit biased. I'm going frost blue all day, white interior. Maybe with kids, I might throw in the black, but let me know about the frost or the marine blue here. Is this something that you would upgrade for if you have a hardware 3? Is it something that would entice you enough? And how do you feel that this compares to all of the other colors that Tesla has? You can see there's the white, the silver, the black. Let's see, is this the diamond black? Oh, this is, yeah, you can see this. This is the diamond black here. So this is the vibe that I got with the marine blue. And then of course you have the red. So quick shout out to the team here at Santana Row for allowing me to film here. Rachel, Mo, you guys are great. But yeah, first ever full walkthrough of the marine blue Model Y. And again, they have it on the 3 as well. You cannot get this in their standard selection, but this is premium and performance. So there it is.